If you want to use YouTube in Google Chrome on your phone, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is a super easy method, and it's perfect if you want to open YouTube without using the app, or if you just want to browse videos directly from your browser. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your phone. You'll usually find it on your home screen in your app drawer, or in your recent apps if you used it before. Once Chrome opens, look at the top of the screen and tap the address bar. This is where you can type any website you want to visit. Now, type youtube.com directly into the address bar. Make sure you enter it correctly so the browser takes you to the official YouTube website. After that, press Enter on your keyboard, or tap Go depending on your phone. Chrome will load the YouTube site, and in just a moment you'll be on YouTube right inside your browser. From there, you can search for videos, sign into your account, and watch content just like you normally would. If the page takes a second to load, that's completely normal, so just wait for it to finish. And that's it. You've now opened YouTube in Google Chrome on your phone. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to tap. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-to guides like this one.